Hi, I'm Tim McGuire, the Vice President of Content and Community here at PointMan, the company that makes SWRemote Suite. We have a new release that just came out, version 4.3.17, and it has some great improvements to the way that we display customer location documents for your technicians in the field, and in the methods that they'll be able to use to upload new photos to the customer location document site. We're going to take a look at that in Remote, but first, how about a little bit of background? SuccessWare 21 allows you to integrate your installation of the program with Dropbox to use it as the storage location for your location documents. These documents are associated with each individual service location and can include images, videos, scanned documents, and more. Storing the documents in the cloud using Dropbox allows your office staff and your techs in the field to access your customers' documents. Now, from within SuccessWare to see those documents once you've set up your integration is when you do a search for a customer and open up their record. You'll see at the top of their record that there's a little indicator here that tells me whether or not they actually have location documents. So I had a little folder there. It had a question mark while it was looking to see if there were documents. Now, if I click that, it's going to go ahead and open up my browser, take me right to this particular customer's Dropbox folder, and from here I have access to each of the individual images and documents that are on that account. And they can be opened and modified as necessary. Now, let's take a look at how to access location documents from SWRemote and focus on the most recent updates. Now, location documents have been available to a technician on SWRemote for the customer that they're currently working a job for, but now the newest release allows those technicians with permission to perform customer searches to see those documents as part of the search results as well. Now, what this is going to do is allow technicians who work after hours or those in smaller shops that are creating their jobs directly through SWRemote to have better visibility to what they'll face when they arrive to begin their work. So let's do a search, and I'm going to open up that same customer that I had in SuccessWare. And when I select the customer, I have an option up top here to open up their documents. I'm going to give that a click. Now, one of the first things that you're going to notice is the really quick loading of the images and documents in a gallery-style view. Now, before there was just a list, a little bit tougher to work with. From this screen, I can go ahead and tap any of these individual images and open them up, view them in greater detail as necessary. And if there are files on the account like this checklist, I'll be able to go in and take a look at that as well. In addition to being able to view the location documents directly from a customer search, you're still able to see those images directly from a customer while you're on a job as you could before. But one of the nice changes that's been made is that you, your technicians, now have an ability to upload images directly from their device's camera roll. Previously, these can only be added to the location documents as photos as you took them. This is now going to allow the technicians to take full advantage of the photo features on their devices, such as marking up the images or cropping them before they upload. So let me show you an example. Now, I'm in a job at this moment. I'm actually going to go to my photo gallery, and I took a picture. We came to their house, and there's a new furnace in the home. We took a picture of it. I'm going to open it up, and at least on my iPad, and again, similar on an Android device, I'm going to go to Edit, and I want to add a markup on here. So there's three little dots at the top here. I'm going to give them a click. From here, I've got a range of pens down at the bottom. I try to pick something that's a little bright, and it's going to show up. Now, we can go ahead and circle something if we need to make a note. This is new, point out a problem or something of that sort, we can do so. And when we hit done, that gets saved onto the image. So now I'm going to go back into Remote. Now in this case, I'm already in a job, so I'm going to close my instructions. Earlier when we did the search, the customer search, we were able to go to the customer record, go to documents, and we would see both the images and the actual physical documents. When you're in a customer for a job, this works a little bit differently. We go to Documents to find Documents, and to find the photos, we go to Photos. Again, we're going to get a nice gallery view that makes these really easy to see. Now, the marked up photo that I've created, I want to upload. So I'm going to click the upload button. I'm going to go to my photo library or my photo roll, go to my recents, and there's my new image. I'm going to select it, save it, and this is going to upload to the Dropbox account, and it's now part of this customer's record. Now, quick little note, within the customer, if you find that there's a new piece of equipment on site, you want to make sure you're going into the equipment record and adding that new piece of equipment. So in this case, we have a forced air furnace, a Goodman unit. You're going to want to add that information in to make sure that the most recent information is available to the next tech who comes out and to the back office. Now let's take a look back on the SWRe side and see this new image that we've added as part of the record. Now when I come back to the dispatch board in SWRe and I find that customer, I'm going to double click to open them up. And again, I've got my location documents icon up here. I'm going to give that a click. This is going to open that storage folder, and here, the item that we just added, this photo with the markup on it, is there as part of the account. Hopefully you found that helpful. If you did, like the video. Subscribe to the Point Man YouTube channel, and you'll see videos like this coming up to walk you through the different features that we're making available. If you need any assistance with this or any other features, give a call to our support number. I've got it down here at the bottom of the screen, and we'll look forward to talking to you again soon.